Smart Property Systems is a powerful tool for property management. But before you commit, here are 12 things you need to know that could make or break your experience, especially when compared to competitors. Stick around, and you'll see why understanding these features matters before you buy. First up, Smart Property Systems offers a cloud-based platform, which means you can access your dashboard anywhere. While this is convenient, some competitors provide more mobile-friendly designs that might feel smoother if you're managing properties on the go. Next thing, tenant screening. While Smart Property Systems includes tenant background checks, the options can feel limited compared to specialized screening tools offered by competitors. If detailed reports are a priority, you may need to look elsewhere. The third thing is their payment processing. They support online rent collection, but transaction fees can stack up. Some competitors offer better fee structures or even integrations with third-party processors, which might save you money in the long run. Fourth, maintenance request management. This feature is standard and functional, letting tenants submit requests online. However, systems like Buildium or Appfolio sometimes provide more streamlined interfaces or automated task assignments, making them a smoother choice for larger property portfolios. Another thing to consider, reporting and analytics. Smart Property Systems has basic reporting, but if you're looking for deep financial insights or custom report generation, competitors like PropertyWare might offer more robust tools. Next, lease management. It covers digital lease signing and document storage, but again, the interface can feel a bit dated compared to more modern alternatives like Tenant Cloud, which have more user-friendly designs. The seventh thing is communication tools. While you can message tenants directly, the system lacks advanced automation. Competitors like Rentec Direct allow for bulk messaging and automated reminders, which could save you significant time. Let's talk about pricing transparency. Smart Property Systems uses a tiered pricing model, but you'll notice some key features are locked behind higher priced plans. Competitors like Cozy offer simpler pricing with fewer surprises. Another thing worth mentioning is scalability. It works well for small to mid-sized portfolios, but for property managers handling hundreds of units, competitors like Appfolio or Yardi are generally better optimized for larger operations. 10th, integrations. While Smart Property Systems supports some third-party tools, the integration options are limited. Competitors often offer wider compatibility with accounting software like QuickBooks or marketing platforms. The 11th thing is customer support. Reviews indicate mixed experiences, with some praising their helpfulness and others frustrated by slow response times. If stellar customer support is crucial, alternatives like Buildium might offer more consistent service. Finally, user reviews and feedback. Smart Property Systems has its fans, but many note that the interface could use an update to compete with sleeker options like Tenant Cloud. Overall, Smart Property Systems is a solid property management software with useful features. But if you're looking for a better option with more advanced tools and flexibility, check out our recommended solution, available for a free trial. The link is in the description.